This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have admin access and Windows 10. This avoids permission errors. Once ready, open Start and select Settings, then Personalization. You do this now so you don't interrupt later steps. Personalization is where themes live. Make sure to stay in the main account. If you're using a secondary profile, switch to the admin profile first. This guarantees changes apply system-wide versus just one app profile. Now navigate to Colors inside Personalization to begin the dark theme setup. You'll set Windows and apps to dark mode from Colors. First, find Choose Your Color and pick Dark. This flips system surfaces and supported apps. Once done, verify the change in File Explorer, Start menu, and a couple of apps to confirm consistency. If your build shows separate options, set Default Windows Mode and Default App Mode both to dark for a uniform appearance. Make sure to sign out or restart an app if it doesn't update immediately. Some programs need a restart to apply the new theme. Complete the setup by fine-tuning accent color and transparency so text remains readable against darker backgrounds. If some UI elements still look off, open high contrast settings to select a compatible palette. This helps accessibility. Once finished, restart your PC to ensure all apps and system UI adopt the theme. If the dark theme still won't apply, update or reinstall your graphics drivers and check for Windows updates. Drivers often block visual changes. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes stubborn theme issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.